Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to see this sum in oblique. So we have front view and right hand side view. So what we'll do, length is 60 and height is also 60. So first I will draw square of 60 by 60. Origin will be here and 45 degree I will take it on the right hand side. Now see, I can take this angle as, this is receding angle. I can take this as 30, I can take this as 60. But generally we take 45 and you complete this box. After drawing this box, if you see in side view how many parts are there? 2 parts. And in front view, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll start with side view. If you see this, there is a slope. So it's always better to draw slope, and whenever you're drawing, always draw it from the main box. Don't start in between. So this is 10 on both the sides. So you leave 10 on both the sides and draw slope. See this. Now whatever is there, it's the same thing is behind. Now how much it goes behind? 30. See, total is 40, this is 10. So you take 30 behind and you can complete that slope. From here also you take 30 and join this slope. So we are done with slope. After that, height is how much? 30. So from here we'll go up by 30. We'll draw a line. This way it will come. And here we'll draw radius 20. How much it is down? Inside 10. So you draw radius 20 directly. And if you see the width is how much? 10. So from this point you go inside by 10. And you draw curve. See, like this. You go inside by 10 and you draw this curve. After that, see this part. How much I have to go inside? 20. This is 40, this is 20. So this will be 20. This is also 20. And you join this. So you'll draw this part like this. See, this is how you'll get that slope. So we are done with this first part. Now we have to draw this circle, which we can draw. From midpoint we can draw radius 10. This is how it will look. The same thing is behind. So you take 20 behind, 20 behind. This only 10. See, now this is straight. This will be dark. And from here you go behind by 20 and you draw radius 10. This is a vertical line. Draw vertical line over here. Draw vertical line over here. And from here you draw a slope. So this is how it looks. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.